Yes. Careful. Allie, careful with Sammy. We'll give him something to go to sleep with.
I'm going to throw this over there. And now you it's not go in bed for it. Whenever I give you this, then it's up here. Ta-da!
What'd you do?
I bounced on this roof.
You did?
Carpet.
Yeah. Sammy.
Mommy? Mommy, watch.
What?
Mommy, watch.
What? Where'd you go? Hey. Sammy, where you going?
Can we scream in my house?
No.
Why?
Because that was a loud scream.
But Mommy.
Where are you not allowed to scream at?
Huh?
Where shouldn't you scream?
At work.
That's right. Okay, wave bye-bye to the camera.
Well, bye-bye.
Sammy, say bye. Sammy, say bye. Good job.